free skin. It's the Tilt Page Birth Month. For their monthly event, they will be teaming up with 3 content creators to give you one of the biggest event yet. They'll have a price promos from May 1 to May 22 and going to give away 1 wild pass and 2 skin of your choice. How to join? Like and follow Tilt Page on Facebook. Subscribe to JetCraps. Like and follow JetCraps on Facebook. React and share this post with that hashtag recycle. Hey guys. Hey sub, so today I'm going to teach you how to make this sword. So I found this on Facebook. A guy 3D printed it, so I tried to make it on cardboard. So what we need is a cardboard. I've been scouring a lot lately. It's free. And these bottles. And also this printed file, link in description. So once you've printed your file, you should get ready to trim it. Now once you trim it, you need to glue it together. Just keep gluing it. So we need to trim out the green part of maybe it's called the gem on the top of the word. So we need to cut it because we're never gonna put it in the cardboard. So you just need to find an exact position for the pattern so you can efficiently place all the patterns on the cardboard so you don't have to waste more cardboard than ever. Here goes the long part. We need to trim out or cut out the patterns. But for now, we will start for the gem on a glowing spot. So we're gonna cut this bottle like this. I really want it to be flat, so I tried using a heat gun to flat it, but it was really unnecessary, so don't try this. Or don't do this. It's really unnecessary to do this. Now all we need to do is transfer the green gem part to the green bottle or the green plastic bottle. So once it's dry, it should be ready to cut nor cut out, just like this. So this was really not that dried yet, so I cut it because it started raining and I forgot to put it inside, so it's wet. So I start cutting it half cut so I can fold the plastic. You should try it to just don't press too aggressively so you won't cut the plastic apart, just in the midway of the plastic. Do it for all the cut patterns. You can see the patterns at the paper, so you just need to follow it. And I started building up the gem. Now make this little piece of plastic from the leftover parts of the bottle. So this little piece can help us stick the two plastic together. I use this a lot for extension so it can grip more of the two pieces you want to glue together. And piece by piece I started making the gem that glows. No, not really glows, it's just transparent green plastic. So I'm done with the gem. And I tried it to my bulb, to my spotlight. There you go. It's so greenery, man. Yeah. Then let's start building the stem for the ward. I will start with the base, so it should be easy. You just need to follow the steps on this video. And then I got tired building the other leaf, so I gathered them around and then smash them, and then look, it worked. And then let's put the leaves and the stem, just like this. And wait for the other one, just like this. Alright, but though you need to glue it together. Then just put the gem at the top, and then you're done, just like that. So I tried using the flashlight from my phone, so let's see. Not that very shiny. Not that very shiny indeed. So I'll use this light that I use for my videos. And look at that. You can see the seams I made. You can see the seams that I didn't fill up really good, but no big deal. Still good though. Hope you like this, guys. Subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye bye.